Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. Today we're gonna speak on the two trades I took today and why we took it as always. So first of all, we were in for Eurusd, and I will pop out the MT4 screens here as well so you can see that I actually took the trade. But first we were in on Eurusd. We're coming in at 9 as usual if you watched the previous videos. We're coming in at 9, looking at the 30 minute. We are already bullish. Here's the 830 candle. We're bullish on the move, as we can see. We're going upwards. And then we're going in on the 5 minute. We were not, this is I don't want this video to be too long, but this break right here is not the same as the GBP trade. You see, we get a break from this structure point and then coming down. This is a more simple trade. But with this one, why we were going long, first of all, we were breaking upwards, but we did not go down to any imbalances. That's why the 30 minutes is already mitigated. So we can think price can go from the point where it is, like in this case. So because in this case here, you would not have any place to watch the price come to, and most of the times when price is mitigated on the higher time frames, it usually just goes in the direction. But we're coming in here at 9. This is the 905 candle. We're waiting for this candle to break. It's breaking. We're coming in and there's no more, and all the imbalance is filled here. So we're taking the trade, simple as this, did this, nothing more. Taking the trade, riding it up to the imbalance to the left. We're not catching the whole move actually on this one. We were taking partials here because we were in with the 2% risk, high lot size. So this was the first trade. Trading isn't harder than this, but for you to just execute trades like this, you need a lot of short time, and that's what needed. And I'm always taking trades on my phone. That's also kind of hard. And then we took partials around there, and then we missed the rest of the move. That's okay, because that's a good move. GBP though today was a fucking snipe. It's the same thing, guys. The 30 minutes is up, as we saw before. Everyone here, this is you guys. You're coming in here, you're seeing this break of structure on the 5 min, and you wanna trade from this zone, and you get stopped out, and then you're asking yourself, what the fuck am I doing? I don't know how to trade, I don't know nothing. When you're trading on the wrong side, trading you're counter trending hard. So we're coming in at 9 o'clock. Here is the 9 candle. As we saw here, we want to see the imbalance get filled. We're coming down. This imbalance is already filled, as you can see. We're waiting for this imbalance to be taken out. This imbalance got taken out, and if price wanted to go short, this candle's the wick shouldn't go above here and close in the green. So when price got up here again, I took the trade. I believe I got a kinda shit entry on this one because of spreads. I haven't checked my phone yet. I'm doing everything now. Just came home and we're taking the trade to the 30 minutes. This was a clean ass trade, but we did not catch all because we saw this here. We saw the imbalance. I'm always checking on the 30 minutes. We saw the imbalance. We took partials up in the move, and then we hold it, and then we closed when we started to go down. Everything. And you can also see on the 4 hour, this is really important, guys, because as you can see, here is the trade. Super important. We can see we are at a high here. Everyone wants to short here, but we're bullish in the trend. Guys, if you see this, we have not even broken. This is a kind of advanced system I'm using, but as you can see, we're not even breaking. We're not breaking nowhere. We're just filling everything in, and we're bouncing from a strong point where previously took out liquidity. So why would this shit zone hold? We had the big imbalances here. The price should have bounced from this zone because we got the big imbalances here, and it did not. So we want to buy this, and then also on the 4 hour we're filling the imbalance and then we're breaking ourselves. And I do not believe this little imbalance here, or this one here, is gonna hold such a big move. So that was all the trades. I'm gonna post MT4 pics here as usual. Guys, I'm gonna keep on loading this up, those videos up when I can. But of course we have also losses, but I'm not gonna show the I can show the losses here, but I don't. Everyone in the forex industry just posting wins, and the losses are not gonna get what is called the amount of views those winners are, because every trader is just greedy and wants the best strat. So I'm just gonna focus on giving you the transparency around the trades I take. But if you want more details, losses, everything, we're posting all the time my server right here, so check it out and have a nice day, guys. Peace.